Say we are so na say who preaching na so say who make emphasis e won who preaching ho a de obe hia or tablet and I say or smartphone. But ni ye mo no senka unya tablet I use touch pen ni bia enka bebo bebre. Either say we social media teaching and I say oh sorry the one we teaching no. Ujina pulpit ne so na all right say or touch pad ne so and I say or phone ne so using the touch pen no na would make emphasis or word now reading on sene maye ewa hase no. So in the beginning when God created the universe this episode make emphasis and one say wa click on idea we say so okay na wa be click on the color na person we use no or click color ne so no wa select color na bia me per red or shift we ya ba say na afei so be so circle na wo don sa etwa circle no wo hom ti se bibi se person me circle we ho a me ni say so be say we underline bibi so a and it's the same thing opa am say color we say na me no maybe yellow okay yellow na me fa and underlining beginning you know inti ebema wotumi make emphasis in here. So in the beginning na waka so the beginning here na de be kan fa ho bia no na no so waka fa ho maybe God created God so opa say oba we chia click ade we so we mistake click we so na wetumi assign for from okay. So God created me use mouse say me use touch pen and carbon selection fine okay until sa na wetumi dey make emphasis or near all year no why mame and go back na mention say near obey insert into your production you see vMix 28 and also 29 and obenya sa feature we say ewom we dey kan aka ho asem for more years sports and that until preachers no say ya so na mo so be use no say we a church media person na wa boss of man say obetimi use this same system na or they are making emphasis on ra or preachy and I say or teachy okay very 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 nice. Say the first time I who we are no problem my started from the beginning issue bra why vMix and I use same within kind ya na enti ubi o vMix na o do production up movie or bible no say when we send the bible bem did that ubi vMix no akọ settings hono settings no okay like settings ne so na wakọ web control na fe Telestrator we da hey the first time I will use here say na what the be enti click so manu nye say we are no click on okay but then click on okay answer but click on output /ndi /SRT o click so na wahwe baby actually multi view one ase pa no hwe back de no ko a multi view na ye one pe no on say we say we bebre we say bebre we so ye 4 and we ye back per single click here no so no click on okay we are no be click on add input no click Telestrator na fe wa click on okay. So click okay ni so e ba be say wa hase say ne be ye o de ne be blank enye se ne me de bi de demo no e be blank opa wa me ko clear de wa hase. So click delete we so we recycle bi na delete o click so ade wa ni nyina be ko at the same time then go back on say afi we ni my blank into the same thing ne be ye say na e be ye mfiti ase no right nti se person ye o be ye wo Telestrator ni mo no e ba e wo screen so a obe click Telestrator no one na enya se one nkwampo any of the overlays na wo Telestrator no bia no they are available bia 1 2 3 4 no so we say you see overlays nti se bia you see overlay ni nyina na wa click they are available me no me use ba ko pe 1 pe 4 no na me use nti me 1 2 3 nti me click on the 3 no okay o click also ahwe nsi me use 1 hwe nsi because e wonya hwe e wo Telestrator nim na obede na wonya Telestrator no ewo phone so output no wonya wo phone na so tablet no so na ode aye de mpese ode ye no aye simple ye be san so akọ settings hobiem ewo vMix nim na wa click on web controller afi website address no we website address ye wa hase no copy ni nyina ne paste share browser okay na say file phone na tablet no bi Google Chrome ana say Safari na ebo address ni shin pepepe 192.168.audio so be different okay so obo shemu a ebe say ne be ebe bi say ewo o phone so amount na wetimi aye ne pesa ode yem okay afei there was a question so ne say e was say o computer no any device ko na ube use Telestrator na mano no ama wo output na baso no ni nyina connected to one internet nti say your phone na any computer no ewo one internet sene bidi kan na ansa no betimi use sa feature we na gise wo use vMix 28 se wo ni vMix 28 ni bia wo be send a DM na ma send link na ma na wo de a download bi ana say wo be join yen community no ewo obitechsolution.com links be bro ho no ma betimi dia download the bible no betimi dia download the template we say o send my picture in picture ya pastor na preach ni ni na me de box in so serve at the scripture program kuna me no say church service ana any program bia na wo ye no na no so no o live no ho na program din so ewa ha say saa de we ni nyina available ni nyina ye preset ye template ya hyehye ni nyina deda a obetumi use onya tam tool ma na chese o use ano no o be drag na dia to o vMix nim na wa start say o use so open ni we mu nyina na ye de ni nyina egu community ho no mo nti so join the community na obetumi a download edi a free ho no mo e na website ne so nye provide premium videos ya no ya mfamba social media nti so open detailed information ni nyina na ho no enewo e na say wo want bibia se na say open more nchirechiremu ni nyina no say wa join the community na o the two page ni so team ni be boa na wetimi solve issue no okay nti e be better say oba join the community no ewo obitechsolution.com okay nti ebusia ye nto aso okay nti say ubia na sene invitia sene widi kan eye na no o production de ekọ no eno na wa ha say say eye circle eno pese wo draw click sa circle icon iso ha say okay na drag fa adekode na pese wo draw circle no e de fa ho no o drag fa ho a e be draw circle no simply nicely e de amount nti obeye continuous practice na wotimi ehunu sene obeye na e be fefefe se wati ase but I simple so we so san color na the same things pepe na eno so de obeye bia no color no e be sesa se wo hu aha nti sa na tie na sene bidi kan na we so ena so pesa wo draw square e de shape bi ho a e bia we say me sesa color no to back to yellow okay ti we na square no o click we so na eno so wa drag it ya fa baby a pesa rectangle no e be fa no e bi say so aha then so I come nti be ko screen is another screen is so hwe so and that screen is no nti viewers no we na omu hu say church projection away ya omo asore dem ho no omu hunu we de wo yi pepepe and am so ofie na ehwe no so ehunu the same thing so pesa we Telestrator no ni a free screen is so mo amuni we da no na so ba click the same number na wo de to so no click so na be da so no click sa the same number na so na free o pesa san de ba na wa click so na assign e ba okay right and I say send them we na my template na my say bia me person me show bible ne nko a person me show bible ne nko no I say me show bible ne nko like this so bible ne nko a some person me show nipa no nko a I mean preacher no ono nko a so a na no so no we show preacher no nko a so nti sanity nti no obese we show preacher no nko betumi show preacher no nko a obese we show preacher no any scripture na which me shows preacher no scripture no na you say person show scripture no so nko a so a na no so we show scripture no so nko a so we so set up podcast and as a radio and as a TV we contact Obitech Solution na ya be set up equipment no we providing nyina the any video and audio equipment bia na ohia bia no ya be supply bi the amount nti we contact Obitech Solutions ni tumi aboa wasa kwan no so nti busia ma yenhia e wo videos na edi ho ni makra for now.